Now, let's head over to the 500 peso strategy. So, kung kanina, 50 peso strategy yung ginamit natin, dito naman, 500 peso strategy. Pero yung main difference nila is that yung kanina, it is mainly used for cold and warm market, for cold and warm traffic. Pero with this one is mostly used for conversions campaign. Alright? Pero Pao, bakit 500 pesos? Bakit hindi 50 pesos din? Well, you see, yung bottom ng funnel ay ito yung mga hot traffic eh. And kung titigan natin, habang bumababa yung customer doon sa sales funnel natin, mas nagiging mahal yung cost kay Facebook. Kasi alam ni Facebook na you are getting closer into selling that offer that you have. Alright? So with the conversions campaign, we will now set it to 500 pesos. So this one is similar to the 50 peso strategy, no? So we will be using one location and one interest. So 500 pesos per day naman yun. I remember when I started with Facebook ads for my business, yung Coursevel, I only had 500 pesos back then and I used this exact same method hanggang sa makapag-generate na siya ng 7 figures in sales. So, 500 pesos per day no nagsimula, pero eventually it became 20,000 pesos per day using this exact same strategy na ituturo ko sa inyo ngayon. So, katulad ng 50 pesos per day, we'll have to test several interests. So, interest 1, interest 2, 3, and 4. And also, kailangan mo na ding i-eliminate yung losers. And dahil 500 pesos per day yung usapan, malaking pera yan, di ba? Pambili din siya ng 2 coffee siguro. And for some other people, this might be a day's worth of meal for them. So, hindi na maliit na pera yung nilalaro natin na 50 pesos. So, we should do it daily. We do daily checks. Tapos, personally, I run conversions campaign like this at 12 a.m. in the morning. Tapos, after 23 hours and 30 minutes, ito-check ko kung worth it ba siyang i-pursue for the next day or hindi na. Kasi kung hindi na, i-kill off ko na yung campaign. We have to eliminate losers. Diba? Kasi gagastos lang tayo ng gagastos when we try to retain it. So, after nun, kailangan mo na ngayong ipasa sa mga winning ads yung pera mo, yung budget mo. So, magiging 1,000 per day si interest number 1 and 1,000 per day na rin si interest number 4. So, same lang din talaga siya ng 50 peso strategy. Yung nagbago lang talaga ay yung budget mo, pati yung type ng campaign na conversions. Pero paano kung walang winning ad doon sa apat? Well, kailangan na mag-start ng panibago, so you'll have to risk another 2,000 pesos in order for you to find the right interest na ita-target. Alternatively, pwede mo rin gamitin ay pwede mong continuously i-run for 2 days or 3 days. Tapos tignan mo kung magbabago yung CPA niya or yung cost per acquisition, yung cost per conversion. Kasi kung magbabago naman, kung mas magiging mura, pwede mo na siyang i-retain. Tapos doon mo ibuhos yung budget. Pero paano kung isa lang? Isa lang yung winning ad out of 4. Ilalagay ko ba lahat? Well, the rule of thumb is, huwag mong ilagay lahat. Kasi some of us would be tempted na, ay, nako, dahil may loss ako no 1,500 pesos kahapon. Tapos yung 500 pesos lang yung may balik. Kapag nilagay ko yung 1,500 doon sa 500 na yon, 2,000 na, mas mabilis na yung return. Well, it doesn't work that way. Kailangan gradual din yung pag-scale up mo, yung paglalagay mo ng more budget. Lalo na during the testing phase, 500 pesos per day, kung ganun yung budget mo, up to twice lang yung usually na nilalagay ko. Alright? Tapos, after nun, yung 500 na matitira, from this 1,500, kung magiging another X yan, tas 1,000 dito, yung gagawin ko would be, maghanap ako ng ibang interest pa na pwedeng i-target. Tapos yun yung ita-test ko. So, continuous yung testing mo habang nag-scale ka, habang nagpapataas ka ng budget on your winning ads. Alright? So, what do you really eliminate? Of course, you have to eliminate yung losers, yung mga hindi nagbibigay ng return sa'yo. And syempre, yung expensive ads na yun, kapag mas mataas yung expensive, kung mas mataas yung cost per acquisition compared sa allocated budget mo for acquisition, saka mo na siya i-kill. Bakit? With digital products, flexible tayo pagdating dito. Halimbawa, online courses, e-books, audiobooks, yung mga templates. Kung binibenta mo siya halimbawa ng 1,000 pesos, no? Flexible tayo Kasi once mo lang siya gagawin, tapos paulit-ulit mo na siyang pwedeng ibenta. So ngayon, yung nangyayari doon, kahit kumasis ka ng 500 pesos per conversion, per acquisition, okay lang. Kasi alam mong may 500 kang matitira. Minsan nga kahit 600 or 800, okay lang Kasi during those times na dumadami yung sales mo, nako-complete ni Facebook yung learning phase. Ano yung learning phase? So, yung learning phase, every time na nagka-create ka ng bagong ads, lalo na yung sa conversion campaigns, kailangan munang maka 50 sales ni Facebook o on that certain ad set para masabing optimized na yung ads. Yung optimized, meaning alam na ni Facebook kung sino yung tamang tao, sino yung tamang customer na papagpapakitaan niya ng ad mo. Alright, so yun yung tinatawag na learning phase. At you have to complete the learning phase in 1 week or less. Better kung less. Okay, kung naka 48 ka lang for 1 week, magre-reset ulit yan the next week. So, kailangan ng taasan pa yung budget para ma-hit mo yung 50. Okay, kasi once na matapos ni Facebook yung learning phase na yun, i-run mo siya for a couple more days, tapos saka mo i-increase yung budget para mas mag-work siya ng mas maayos. So, ganun siya. So, kung halimbawa yung product mo naman ay physical na product, sabihin natin 500 pesos yung product mo, tapos yung cost mo doon, binayaran mo yung product na yun na 200 kasi nagre-resell ka. Tapos ipapadala mo pa, so sabihin natin 200 lang talaga yung tubo mo for every 500. Dun sa 200 pesos na yun, kailangan mas mababa dun yung cost per acquisition mo. Below 200 pesos dapat. Kasi kung above 200, hindi na siya profitable at malulugi ka na. Always keep that in mind. Tignan mo siya on a per product level, per product basis, para mas maging profitable yung run mo in the long term. Tapos, syempre, when your CPA is more expensive than the lifetime customer value, that's when you eliminate it as well. Pero ano yung lifetime customer value pa? Halimbawa, kung yung binibenta mo lang ngayon ay e-book na worth 50 pesos, $1 lang. Pero, sa loob ng e-book, meron ka namang upsell, meron kang additional product dun sa loob na binibenta na worth 5,000 pesos. Yun yung customer lifetime value mo Yun yung CLV. Diba? So, yung customer lifetime value mo, kung bibili yung isang customer ng e-book mo, plus yung online course mo doon sa loob ng e-book na yon, 5,000 pesos, 50 pesos kaagad yung kikitain mo for one customer. So, from there, pwede mo na ngayong i-assume na, okay, kahit wala gumastos ako ng 1K para sa isang 50 pesos na product, okay lang. Pero of course, huwag naman kaya ang umabot yun kasi masyadong mahal na yung 1K. So, kailangan mo din i-check kung ilan yung nagko-convert. Halimbawa, kung 100 yung bumili nung 50 pesos na product mo. Tapos sabihin natin 20 lang yung nag-enroll sa course mo na worth 5,000 pesos. Meaning 20% yung conversion rate. So, for every 50 na bibili ng e-book mo, 10 lang doon yung mag-enroll sa course mo. So, in short, kahit na umabot ka sa 1,000 pesos per, or sabihin natin 500 na lang per customer, possibly break-even ka pa rin. Pero don't let it happen. Alright? So, I really suggest, I personally suggest na make sure na yung cost mo in running one ad is always lesser than yung initial value ng offer mo. Para it's worth your while. Diba? Usually, makikita natin to sa mga insurance products, sa mga VUL. Bakit? Kasi monthly naman nagbabayad tas monthly din yung commission. Pwedeng up to 45% yung commissions ng insurance products So, on a monthly basis, kahit nang gumastos ka ng 1,000 pesos para ma-acquire yung isang customer, okay lang. Kasi kung 3,000 pesos yung binabayad niya every month, meron kang 45% noon, mga nasa 1,400 yata or 1,350, around those numbers. So, after 1 month, bawi mo kaagad yung 1,000 mo na binayad. Tapos, uulit at uulit pa yon. So, tumataas yung value ng ino-offer mo, ng ads mo. Alright? Pero here's a friendly reminder, no? It takes 50 conversions for ad sets to exit the learning phase. Usually, kaya sinasuggest ng mga tao na, 2 days or 3 days bago mo i-kill yung ad. Kasi pinapatapos nila sa learning phase. Pero there are some really hopeless scenarios na hindi niya talaga natatapos yung learning phase eh. Tumatagal ng weeks bago niya matapos compared sa mga ibang ad sets. So I really do daily checks instead of waiting for it to finish the learning phase. Diba? Para less din yung cost, less din yung risk. Yung count, it resets per week. Tapos, ayun, you can either finish the learning phase to hopefully improve the conversions. Pero if it doesn't look promising after 24 hours, kill the ad. Don't hesitate. Kill the ad kasi ikaw yung gumagastos ng pera na yan. Alright? So, yun yung way, no? Kung paano mo magagamit yung 500 pesos strategy when you are selling. Take note na yung 500 pesos strategy, magagamit mo to when you have a website. Kasi conversions campaign eh. Diba? So, see you on the next video.